This quick tutorial will teach you how to tie a scarf or a shawl into a cute little handbag. There are no sewing supplies that are necessary for this bag. All you need is something to use as the handle. You want to make sure you have a somewhat long scarf or shawl. I would say the minimum length would be about 3 feet by 2 feet, but you can use longer scarves too. The one I'm using in this tutorial is about 2 to 2.5 yards long, and I folded it in half to make the bag. Start with the long side of the scarf facing you. Loop one corner of the fabric over the front and then out the side of the handle. Then you want to repeat that for the other corner of the fabric. Bring the fabric around the handle and tie a knot. It's best to tie a double knot for a little added security. And if you expect to be carrying anything particularly heavy in the bag, you may also want to use a safety pin to secure the knot. Tuck the tail ends of the knot in for a slightly neater look. Now you just want to repeat that process for the other handle. Take one corner and bring it over the front and out the side of the handle. And then take the other corner, bring it over the front and out the side. And then tie both corners over the top of the handle. Tuck in the tail ends, and then you're finished. All you have to do is fluff out the bag a little and go ahead and use it.